Hello and welcome back to Nomu's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lava cake in the microwave. This lava cake is super fudgy and chocolatey and is ready in 1 minute. This lava cake is super easy to make and is baked in the microwave. So keep watching this video for the lava cake recipe, and don't forget to like this video and share this recipe with your family and friends. And also please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I post a video. You can also find my recipes on my Facebook and Instagram page. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked this recipe and will try it. Keep watching my videos for easy and quick recipes, and don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon with a new recipe.